Hey guys, so I have an unboxing to do today. Obviously, you saw from the title of this video, we are doing the Huda Beauty Mystery Bags. I have both the large and the small to unbox and share with you what I got. So that's what we're going to be doing. I honestly was super excited to see these come back again this year. I participated in the first round of mystery bags last year, and even though I had some palettes come smashed and broken, Huda Beauty made it all right and they sent replacements, hassle-free, easy peasy. And I kind of figured, you know what, that was their first ever mystery bag. I'm gonna cut them some slack. Hopefully everything's good this second round. You know, we'll see. And everything is also picked really nicely because there was some weird stuff that happened with that first round of bags. If you missed those videos, I'll have them linked down in the description box. But on to bigger and better things, on to a new year. The bags themselves look super cute and holographic and fun, so I'm super excited to unbox and see what I got. By the way, if you are new to my channel and new to my face, my name is Ashley Ellix, and I would love it so much if you would consider subscribing by hitting that little red button down below. I post beauty and lifestyle videos here on the tube, and by hitting subscribe and tapping the bell next to it, it allegedly will notify you when I post videos, but I hear all the time that YouTube doesn't notify you and you have to check back if you think I disappeared, but I didn't, and I'm here posting videos, and I'm sorry. It's YouTube, it's not me. But you can also follow me on social media because I usually announce on my Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and all that when I post a new video. So if YouTube fails ya, hopefully I won't on a different platform. But enough of the chit chat, enough of all that. If you are ready to dive in this box along with me, then you're in the right place, and all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop! If you feel like I'm out of breath a lot in this video, it's probably because I'm 9 months pregnant if you didn't know, and baby will be here real soon. But let's bust this open because that's neither here nor there. It's just an excuse for my exhausted speaking. Okay, already off to a cute, experience, a nice experience. We got some cute little tissue wrapped all up in there with the lippies on it. And nice and bubble wrapped. Good to see, good to see. I'm not gonna look at this little invoice thingy because last year, everything was listed on the invoice, so I don't want any peeking. Oh yeah, these bags are so freaking cute. Oh my goodness, there's a handle and everything. These are nice makeup bags. So that's the large size, that's the small size in there. Look at that. That looks really good. Let's start with the small, save the best for last maybe. And I'll put prices of what they were doing at the time right here so you can check that out. But let's open up this small one. So here is the small bag. Wow, super freaking cute. Last year it was just these little tote bags, and although the totes were a nice sturdy material, this is even better, okay? Use codes favorites if you want 15% off your next purchase. It's not a unique code, so if you want that, you could use that. This is this a part of it? I don't know. It's a little wishful sample. Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I don't know if that's part of the little bundle, but let's see. Oh, some more Demi mats. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. I should say really quickly, with mystery bags, mystery bundles, you take the risk that you're going to be getting some duplicates. You take the risk that some of this stuff is just inventory they're trying to unload, and this is the best way for them to do it. But I don't have a lot of stuff from Huda Beauty. I have some, I have like 5 eyeshadow palettes now, maybe 6, but I'm still hopeful and I'm excited, and it's a risk I was willing to take. So you have to consider that when you're buying mystery bags, boxes from brands. How much of the brand do you already have? Is it worth the risk? For me, this is worth the risk. Anyways, let's go. So we have, this is the same as last year, except it's a different color. So I don't have this color. It's the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in Mogul. That looks really pretty, kind of like a corally nude. So I'll look up swatches of these. Anything that I don't want to keep, I'll put into like some kind of giveaway or something, either here or on my Instagram. I've never tried these before. I'm so excited to try these now. This is the Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I'm sure you guys have seen these little dual-ended sticks before. Dual-ended. Not only am I out of breath, but my words are hard, so bear with me. But we got matte on one side and like a metallic on the other side. This looks super cool. I have it in the shade Room Service and Do Not Disturb. Ooh, that's a really cool like brick color. That's really cool. So I know you can either put it on and intensify it, or you can blend it out. Oh, wow, that does seem incredibly blendable. Wow. That looks really nice. And then you can either use this metallic as a topper or, you know, separately. Ooh, that is beautiful. That would look really cool as an eyeliner too. Hello. Okay, I'm really excited for that. That looks really awesome. Woo! Cool. Okay, so far so good. And look at this. So this is the little Nude Rich palette. I'm really excited to try this. This is the same size as the little Obsession palettes that she has, a little 9-pan palette. And this is so gorgeous. And oh yeah, super buttery. Yay, I'm so excited. Oh, this is a very cohesive little collection I got here in this bag. So I'm really excited for that. And then this balm, this lip balm, oh my goodness. I never pulled the trigger, but I always wanted to grab this. So this is something that I was really fingers crossing that was in one of the bags, is the Diamond Balm, and here it is. And I got the shade Seductress, which I'm pretty sure was the one that I was thinking about getting last year when these launched. Look at how cool this little case is. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Complete disclaimer though, I heard very mixed reviews about it, but I don't care because it's so pretty. There's little like diamondy crystals all over it. Super gimmicky, but whatever. I wish I could put it on my lips right now, but oh, you can actually see the glitter in there. You're not gonna be able to see it on camera, but in person I can actually see the shimmer. I don't really smell much. Maybe a slight coconut smell? I don't know, maybe hairspray? Maybe that's me. I don't know. I'm super excited for that too. Okay, so this is my complete bag. I mean, I don't know if this little sample counts. Does that count? I don't know. Maybe it does. So, but let's just put that aside. This is the complete bag. Like I said, very cohesive, which is nice because you don't always see that in mystery bags. Like I said, sometimes you get like a red lip and a blue eyeshadow and it's all over the place, but all these colors very much coordinate together. Really impressed. I think the value is definitely there. Oh my goodness. Love that. Great. Super excited. And the bag. Super excited. Now I can't wait to see what's in this big one. Let's open her up. These are nice. I know I already harped on them, but these are nice makeup bags and they're so cute and holographic. Oh, a little pull your hair back, little headband thingy majig. Very cute. I actually have one of these from Tarte. This one actually looks big enough for my head though. The Tarte one is really small for some reason. Okay, I'm seeing some duplicates from last year's mystery box, but like, but I'm seeing something that I really wanted. So it evens out. And like I said, that's the risk that you take with mystery bags, mystery boxes, that you might get some duplicates, especially in subsequent years. They're still trying to unload. But anyways, so first of all, this is what I got in last year's, one of the mystery bags last year. It's the Summer Highlight Palette. I will be putting this aside for a giveaway because I don't need another one. So let me put that aside. Actually, I should make sure nothing's smashed real quick, just in case, you know. No, all good, no smashies. Love to see that. Yay, awesome. So I'll put that aside for a future giveaway. And this, I have to show you this right away because I have been wanting this palette since it launched and I just haven't made the plunge, just like the lip balms. So, oh, I'm so excited. It's the Mercury Retrograde palette. Ooh, I was so hoping this is the thing that was in this one. Let me show you. Let me see it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the formula of these bigger palettes of hers, especially. I like the 9-pans, but the big ones are even better. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning and it's even more beautiful in person. And you know what, honestly, this is a beautiful spring palette. I feel like there wasn't that much hype around this palette and I don't know why, because it looks absolutely stunning. The shade Super Moon, this, oh, it's that marbly formula that, let me just pop some on my inner corner right here, that I love from her. I love her like marbly metallic formulas so much. Oh my gosh, I love that. Ooh, yay! This right here made it for me. So I love that. So cute. So cute. Does anybody else think that looks like James Charles though? I don't know, just an observation. Anyways, oh, again, I'm seeing like a nice little theme in this bag. This is really cool. I got another lip balm, but it's in a different shade, so no mistakes like there were last year where it was the same box and everything was thrown together with the same repeats. You know, if you missed that video, you go check out the drama, but this is a different shade called Negligee, okay? I think that all of the balms kind of look the same on the lips, but let's see, swatching side by side. Oh, it's a darker one, so yeah, pretty much just looks identical. It looks exactly the same, so yeah, if you're interested in these lip balms, just get one because you won't see a difference. And honestly, the first one that I tried, I can see the glitter a little bit better. Whichever one that one was, that was better. But I'm excited to have them, and I can never have enough lip balms, so I'm happy about that. What is this? Ooh! Oh wait, didn't this just come out not that long ago? The dual-ended eyeliner pencil and liquid? Hang on, let me see. No, not at all. I think I'm thinking of the mascara and the new brow product she has. This one looks like it came out probably in the summer of 2019. It's actually on sale at Sephora right now for 12 bucks. So I don't know if it's doing so good, but I'm happy to give it a try. That's what I do on my channel. I try makeup for you guys. Oh, it's a dippy one. Okay. Yeah, I don't love that, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I don't like that brush. It's a little bit thick. It's a little bit thick of a brush. Wouldn't recommend off of first impressions not trying it on my eye, but it's a mystery bag. That's what happens. Okay. We also got the lip strobe in Posh, which I actually was looking at getting one of these. They had some in the sales section as like a bundle with the lipstick, and this might be one of them that I was looking at too, so that's some good luck. Whoa, that is like a highlighty-y little lippy. I'm just gonna like put everything on as I get it, okay? That's interesting. I believe these are meant to be like a, you know, a highlight contour kind of lip product. Yeah, when you blend it out, that's really cool. That's really neat. I like that. Okay. Also, I got some skincare in here. The Jelly Moisturizer Honey Balm. Looks like it's a full size. Isn't that the sample that I got in the small one? Yeah. Sample size of that in the small one, full size in the big one. And lastly, I have this little makeup sponge. Okay, Basic B, that's a funny name for it. I think I realized that she had a makeup sponge. So that's in there. Cool, cool, cool. So just like the small bag had a nice like cohesive vibe to it, same with the large one that I got personally. So I really, really enjoy this bundle. This is actually probably going to be going in a giveaway too. So I'll put like something fun together. So make sure you're following me here and on Instagram, and I'll announce that whenever or wherever it will go at some point. Like I said, I'm kind of a ticking timer over here with baby, so I'm not sure if it's coming yet, but you know, there will be a giveaway with those at some point. Yeah, make sure you're following me there. I'm really excited for all of these. I feel like the value's there personally, but again, you always have to kind of weigh your options, look at your collection before going through with a mystery bag or mystery bundle to see, you know, am I okay with getting possible duplicates, or do I not really have much from the collection and therefore I want to try more? Because that's when I do those, is like I said at the beginning, when I feel like I could add more things, and I'm really excited for these. I'm pretty much happy with everything that I got. Let me know down in the comments below if you got one of these bags or both of them. What variation did you get? Was it the same as me? Did we get different things? Did we get different items, different shades? What is up? Because I'm super curious to find out. And actually, now that I've seen what I got, I can go check out some of my favorite girls' videos because I know they posted them earlier this week. And that is Leah Janae and Leora Loves Makeup. I'm gonna go run over there and see what they got. I'll post their videos down in the description box if you want to see their videos too. And you can check theirs out. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my unboxing. Subscribe before you go. I will see you guys next time. Bye.